Wow. The Amazon. Oh, I'm livid. Let's get on the roof. Hello folks, here we are again. We're back. That went quick. Well, didn't we do well? We ground all that concrete out, broke it all up, cleared it all up, broke it up some more, cleared it all up, broke my back in the meantime, got the flat roof on, you know, lots of stuff. Well, this time round, it's firrings. Let's get to it. Right, today it's firrings. What's a firring? This is a firring. It goes on the roof and allows the water to run off. It starts thick at one end and gets thinner by the other end. So you can direct the water wherever you want. So, let's get them on. Right, we're going to start with getting this off. Well, here I am, just getting these main supports off. That was just giving the roof a little bit of strength while we were working underneath it. And now uncovering all of the waterproofing just to protect the wood. So once all this is off, we can crack on. Right, let's get the last one of these on, which is 1,760, slightly under. Right, let's stick some screws in here. They do a nail gun for this, but we're doing it ourselves, so we're using screws. That's good enough. Put a few more in. Okay, as you can see, filling up all the holes in the metal with this. Like that, everywhere. Right, now we're going to do the firrings. So, this is going to go along here. I'm going to measure off the wall, both ends, so it's nice and straight. But there's a little something I've got to do first. So I'll show you that. Come here. Right, what time is it? Gotta be coffee time. What other time is it? Subscribe time. Let's just explain this quick. There's our firring. That is the end of our one that's already there, obviously, that's heading down there. So we've got to start this one up at the same height and then bring the other end of this up to match it. So the slope is the same all the way until the very end for the water to run off. So on goes the next couple of firrings. This one is going to go along the wall. And obviously I've got to bring it up just the same as the others, like that. And then this one is going to go here. So I'm now going to measure off the bottoms, see what the difference is, and then make up some blocks. Right, this nail gun is so good. I mean, when I say it takes so much work, hard work out of the job, it really does. It's so quick. You just whiz round, nail it all down, and that's not going anywhere. Okay folks, tool of the job. What's it going to be? Well, apart from the giant chop saw, it's got to be this, a nail gun. Without this, a whole different ball game. This one's the Dewalt DCN 692. Well, now they're on, you know what that means? We're ready for our plyboards. Yep, so plyboards on next, and then our actual waterproof roof. Well, we've got to learn about that, but what can we do? We give it a go. Till next time, I'll see you then. Well, that's sorted. Next. Who can do anything they put their mind to? You can.